Welcome back to the Fuji Guys channel. My name is Francis. So in this series of video, we're going to take a look on how to use certain features of the X100V. So the Fujifilm X100V features a touchscreen now. So the first thing you can do with it is that when you go into the playback mode, you have your image here. You can swipe through images just like that. And then you can pinch to zoom in or out. You can also double tap to zoom to 100% just like that. And then move around and then double tap again to get out. Next, you have directly onto the screen a little icon that will tell you how the camera will behave when you touch the screen. So right now it's set to off, so nothing's gonna happen whenever I touch it. If I click once, now I'm in touch to shoot. So whenever I touch the screen, I take a picture. If I touch again, now I'm into the AF mode. So I just click and it's going to focus wherever I tap on the screen. And then if I tap again, it's just going to be the area, so I can just move the point around, but it won't focus. Next, we have the touch function. So if I swipe up, down, right, or left, I have different options that comes up. And then these can be customized as well. So if I push onto the display back for a couple seconds, you see we do have 4 options to change the way that the swipe function will behave. So I can change the swipe down to have the large indicators, for example. So now if I just swipe down, you see I can toggle through the large icon or the small icons. And then lastly, you can use the touch screen when you're shooting with the viewfinder to move your focus point around. So how you're going to set that is going to the menus and then going to the button and dial setting and then going down to touchscreen settings, and then you have here the EVF OVF touchscreen area setting, and then you can choose whether the full screen is sensible to touch and only different parts of it, or if you don't like that feature, you can simply turn it off. So these are the options for the touchscreen on the Fujifilm X100V.